Let's make this short house out of a 2x6. It's part of a scrapwood Christmas village. There are a lot of ways to find the center of a board. This is the method I use. I place the corner of a framing square on one corner of the board and spin it until I get a whole inch on the other side, then divide that in half. Then I use a combo square and set the edge for that center and transfer that to the top of the board. I set my saw to 45 degrees for the roof. I made the first cut, then I flipped the board and made the second cut. Now I just eyeballed it, and I don't think I hit dead center on any of the peaks, but you can be more careful with your cuts if you like. I marked the straight cut to be about 7 inches from the peak. And here we are with every woodworker's favorite pastime, sanding. I used 120 grit on these boards because they weren't super rough to begin with, and I rounded the edges a little too, just to make them a little more worn looking. See the link around this video for where to get the PDF with all of my Christmas line drawings. This is the short house drawing. Tape it into place. I use carbon paper and a stylus to trace it onto the wood. See the link around this video for where to get that 50 pack of carbon paper that comes with a pack of stylus tools too. Trace all of your lines except the horizontal one that separates the body of the house from the roof. You'll be able to see these lines through your paint too. I had already traced my star with the black pen first, but if I had this to do over again, I would paint it first and then do the outline. Okay, so let's paint the door green, and I'll be able to see the knob tracing through this paint. Let's paint the house a nice brick red, and I'm going to paint over the thick black outline on the star a bit too. Now this red is actually a lot darker than it looks here. I'm painting the back and the sides, but not the roof, as I'll paint that black later. I'm using my black paint pen to draw in the window trim lines as well as the doorknob. See the link for where to get this pen because I love it. It has a nice bevel edge tip, which is great for these sharp lines. If you want a more vintage look, do a light sanding. I used a sanding block wrapped in 150 grit paper, and it only took a few light strokes, mainly tilted on the edges, to make it look more rustic. Well, I sure hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Come on over and see me at heartwoodart.com and find out how to make more of these Christmas scrapwood pieces.